Dear students, today we will start exercise 7.1, question number 7. Question number 6 is exercise 7.1. So, आज करेंगे start question number 7. Now, question is, bila question name jai, find the point on the x-axis. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Simple question is. Which question is? Question is, find the point on the x-axis. So, as to x-axis, but a point tzanun. Point tzanun matlab go be bonde be point tzanun go pointing coordinates cardin. So, we have to get the coordinates of a point. So, given choice, the point is lying on the x-axis. So, point has tzanun, pointing coordinates has cardin on x-axis. So, point actually is given. The point is on the x-axis and which is equidistant from 2 minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So, given choice point, you make as coordinates cardin. So, equidistant, the point of that. Arc point has 2 minus 5. Say 2 minus 5. Yes, in the fourth quadrant, say this is the point 2. 2 mano it is minus 5. In the third quadrant, in the fourth quadrant, say this is point A with the given coordinates 2 minus 5. Newest point A. Back choice minus 2, 9. So minus 2, 9 as second quadrant, say this is minus 2, 9 here. Let it be point B, minus 2, 9. So which has given the point A and B, which has point on the x-axis. Or given choice, that point is equidistant from A and B. So as to you should point on the x-axis. Mano it have one point P, which has name point P coordinates cardin. So given P equidistant, it should barabar dur from A and B. So you dur A pet, you dur B pet. That means PA distance is equal to PB distance. It is given PA is equal to PB, and we have to get the coordinates of point P. So obviously, in point on the x-axis, is y coordinate. It is y coordinate will be 0. So let's suppose that it is coordinate is b x comma 0. So let's which has here x 0 drawas imuk abscissa. So at points as abscissa 0 because point is on the x-axis. Khali has imuk ordinate cardun which has x is barabar thu. So let's let p x 0 be the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from A 2 minus 5 and B minus 2, 9. That is, so you'll pitch equidistant from A and B. That is PA is equal to PB, distance PA as barabar distance PB is, which implies distance PA as per distance formula. So when the x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, square root is equal to PB. It goes square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Root cancel. It implies it is P A Thanun. P coordinates go x1 y1, A go x2 y2. Tilbani x1 minus x2, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, that is 0, minus into minus 5, that is 0 plus 5 whole square is equal to, it is PB kadu. P coordinates x1 y1, B coordinates x2 y2. So x1 minus x2, so then x minus into minus 2, that is x plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, so goes by 0 minus 9 whole square, which implies even x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square, that is 25, is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9, so go minus 9 whole square, that is 81. So nimja as equation x must do you x minus 2 whole square plus 25 is equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Is equation solve karon at near variable x value. Go the assignment, solve this equation to get value of x. Okay? This value of x kado dry SP coordinates. But go to last step. Hence the coordinates of point P are as to much x 0. X is the value it at near comma 0. Even at point coordinates. Okay? If we multiply as question number 7, then question number 10. Sorry, question number 8. Question number 8. Now question number 8 says, find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10 units. देखो which question क्या choice? Question choice is the given point P to Q and distance PQ is equal to 10. It is also given, say, is a number point P with coordinates 2 minus 3. We have one point Q with coordinates 10y. So as to give y value cardon. Point Q FC such. Imuk has value cardon, value of y, and we are given that distance PQ is equal to 10 units. Simple question. So question is, find out the value of y for which the distance between point P and Q is 10 units. So ask for demo solution. Here P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y are the given points such that it's also given such that PQ is equal to 10 units. It is given. Okay? So which implies PQ equal to 10 even nearest value of y. By applying distance formula, PQ gonna barabar under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal to by 10, which implies under root of. Now x1 minus x2, that is 2 minus 10. It is 2 minus 10 whole square plus y1 minus y2, so go minus 3 minus y whole square is equal to 10, which implies under root of 2 minus 10, it is minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square. So minus common is, it is minus into 3 plus y whole square equal to 10, which implies under root of minus 8 square, that is 64, minus into 3 plus y whole square karo solve by applying a plus b whole square formula. It is 3 square 9 plus y square plus 2 into a into b, that is 6y equal to 10, which implies under root of, it is 64 minus 9 minus y square minus 6y equal to 10. Minus like 10 into multiple. So implies under root of 64 minus 9, that is 55 minus y square minus 6y equal to 10. क्योंकि y वैल्यू काटने खतर क्या करो इसमें यथ करो रूट कैंसल स्क्वायर रूट है कैंसल करो तेल करो तेल स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स करें सो स्क्वायरिंग ऑन both sides we get even till yapoti khala square is left hand side is right hand side is to square root cancel. It implies 55 minus y square minus 6y is equal to 100, or which implies 100 on yours, or even 55 minus y square minus 6y minus 100 equal to 0 implies, yes, got on with y square wajin term, the term with highest power, that is minus y square, then minus 6y, patana constants, minus plus 55 minus 100, it is minus 45 equal to 0. Or minus common, it is y square plus 6y plus 45 equal to 0. Now see, here we got an equation, a quadratic equation in variable y. So kormut chu, yel tu ye quadratic equation solve karun, at near y's value. Okay? So quadratic equation y square plus 6y plus 45 equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation and get two values of variable y. क्योंकि अस वेरिएबल वाई अकु वैल्यू जरूरत पे करो वैल्यू पुट लिखो पुट y equal to say गोडनिक वैल्यू करो सबस्टिट्यूट therefore the coordinates of q are 10y even 10 comma value of y your answer nearest y value. Okay, so here you will complete this, you will solve this quadratic equation yourself and get value of y, that will be the answer of this question. Question number 9 and 10 that we will do in next lesson inshallah. Thank you.